From this video, any beginner will make money using a secret that the rich people don't want others to know. We'll share a super simple, inspiring way to earn money online fast, and it doesn't require technical knowledge or experience. Have you heard this quote? Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. It's told by a rich guy who was inspired to sell his products, and that's all what he wanted. We know him as a great inventor. He used to say this: anything that won't sell, I don't want to invent. Its sale is proof of its utility, and utility is success. And that 1% inspiration to sell his inventions kept him working hard and invent. And one of his biggest inventions was light bulbs. Yes, I'm talking about Thomas Alva Edison. Although he is known as a hero, but his 1% inspiration also killed many animals ruthlessly. His serial animal killing include an elephant called Topsy. It was done just to prove his point and crush his competition Nikola Tesla. Now, the detailed story is complicated and irrelevant to this video, but if you Google Edison killed elephant, you will find this Wikipedia post. This long Wikipedia post will give you all the details of Topsy, even those old photos and this photo. And unfortunately, there is a live video as well where this huge elephant was electrocuted and executed in just 1 minute. This elephant was ruthlessly murdered just to prove that Edison was right. My point is, rich and successful people always divert our attention from the most important to the least important stuff, so we keep struggling and they keep enjoying success and wealth. And when we talk about 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration, it seems that it's all about hard work. But in reality, with only 1% inspiration made and kept Edison rich, and it makes a website like Inc.com rich as well. For example, when I was looking for this quote on Google, I found this article on Inc.com. It says 37 quotes from Thomas Edison that will inspire success. And Inc.com is a $25 to $50 million company, and they have 18.4 million visitors per month. Visitors or traffic are the currency of internet. The more visitors a website or a business has, the more money they make. Example, if you look at one of our Warrior Plus accounts, you see the money looks good, but all the money were generated from people who visited our content and purchased based on our recommendations and inspirations. We help them with education and information with all our videos and contents on YouTube, contents on TikTok. Just look at the numbers of views: 77,000, 53,000, 644,000, and we made money. And in today's video, I'm going to focus on inspiration-based income and not perspiration or hard work-based income. If you think we're going to the right direction and we deserve a like, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family, because not only you will learn how to make money online, how to get rich the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way, but also by sharing this content with your friends and family, you will help them learn as well. They will love you for this share, they will follow you, and eventually they will be the first ones to buy from you. So go ahead, like and share, and if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. And let's move forward. Okay, before I show you the steps, I need to tell you the truth. Unlike other people, the rich people who teach you something and they do something else themselves, especially I find it really funny when people show you hundreds of ways to make money online and they make money with videos every single day. I watched a video yesterday that said he makes 24 videos a day for their own business. Don't you think it's kind of hypocrisy? Well, it's not hypocrisy. In fact, they are inspiring their viewers to use as many methods as possible, try as many methods as possible, and find their sweet spot. So they are not dishonest. I would argue most of them are honest. But we want to be 100% honest with you. We make money online using videos in many different forms. And in our videos, we share valuable information that brings results to our audience. For example, this video video. Plus, we make a lot more videos for our 20 plus channels. And definitely for 20 plus channels, we cannot use cameras and microphones. So we built our own artificial intelligence software, Epic. Epic makes videos from image, from literally any source. Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. When you grab your free access to Epic, we use our artificial intelligence software, Epic. Epic helps us make these type of videos using built-in 2.7 million royalty-free image and video clips and text. Epic helps us write text scripts for the video using artificial intelligence and turns those text scripts into natural sounding voiceover. Epic allows us to make bite-sized videos of any length from 1 second to 10 minutes long. Then Epic combines them into one long video in just one click. So we have freedom to work and we don't need video editing. And all the work can be saved to come back and work later. So making videos takes 2 to 3 minutes and any beginner can make videos with Epic. Now let me show you the power of inspiration. If you go to keyword research software like Ubersuggest and search with inspiration to find inspiration related keywords that people are looking for, the results will amaze you. The keyword inspiration is searched 300,000 times per month. Inspirational quotes is searched 1 million times. Inspirational quotes for work 60,500 times. We downloaded all of them and we found total 2.4 million inspiration related keywords that people used to search on Google every single month. Look at this beautiful simple blog site. This website is dream-journal.com and they have 100,000 visitors per month. We make approximately $1.33 on the average from each visitor. 100,000 visitors definitely make them something like $100,000 per month. And a lot of their traffic come from social media, and as social media they only use one social media site and that's called Pinterest. And on the Pinterest they use simple graphics like this. It's nothing but just a text on an image. Literally anyone can do that. Again, let's check this TikTok account. 25,000 views, 200,000 views, 36,000 views, 32,000 views, and even 1.3 million views. This video is nothing but an image and an inspirational quote. When you use TikTok, put your links in the profile and your visitors will find your link. This is how people get traffic. This is how we get traffic. Hundreds of other people get traffic and this traffic make money. So what is my final advice to you? If you want to make money starting today, either get inspired and make beautiful content just like this. Feel free to use Epic. It's free to start. Link is in the description. Epic will definitely make your life easy the same way it made for us. So people love you, love your content, and they share your content. Spread the word out there. Get you viral traffic, leads, and sales. Make content that you proudly share on social media and get others to share your content to get more and more referral visitors. Or you use inspiration as your niche and start inspiring others with your content. End of the day, we make money from helpful content creation and we recommend everyone to do the same because it simply works. All our tools are available and free to start in the link in the description. And if you are interested to build a website like Dream-Journal but you hate website creation and content creation, our software Maven can help you. With Maven, you don't need to write a single word or create your own website. You can simply copy the URL of any website, put it on Maven, and Maven will legally turn it into your website content. Let me show you how Maven works. PS4 controller is a super hot topic, so we thought why not we make a blog post for ourselves using Maven, and let me show you how we made this awesome blog post in under 3 minutes. Let's make a PS4 controller blog post under 3 minutes. We are on my software Maven. First, click the add blog button. Copy the web address of the article we want to hijack. Paste it right here on Maven and click the create button. Add a blog title and then let's add a blog image. We're going to upload a new image from our hard drive. Select this image and click open. And the image is added. Now let's do some text editing. Select this text and make it bold. Then select this text and put it on center. To add an affiliate link, select this text, click this link
button, and let's say this is our affiliate link. For an example, paste it right here. We want this to open in a new window. Done. Let's add some headlines. Select this text, turn it into headline type 3, and we can do as much text editing as we want. Once we are happy, just click the save button and our settings is saved. Now the full text is here, but this text is not ours. To make it ours, we need to rewrite it using artificial intelligence, and for that we're gonna click this spinner button. This spinner will rewrite the content in the background. The job is done, so click save and the content is saved. We can always add more elements by clicking this plus button. Let's add a video. For that, we just need to copy the URL of the video and paste it right here and click add. And the video is added to the blog post instantly. We can add image from all different sources. Let's add one image from Pixabay. Search with the keyword in this box. Click the search button and all different options showed up. Just select one and immediately that image is added to the blog post. So easy. Just like that, we can add as many images, as many videos as we want. And once we are happy, click the save button and the blog post is saved. Now this section is totally optional. You can fill these informations in for search engine optimization purposes. When you are happy, click the publish now button or a publish later button to publish later, and you can click this view button anytime you want. It will take you to your brand new blog post and look at the awesome blog post that you have just created. So awesome.
Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Hit the like button if you like this video. Share this video with your friends and family so they also learn how to make money online. And subscribe to our channel. Switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. And if you want to learn how this lady earns $2 million per month for her company using an underrated platform, then watch this video. If you want to learn about 800,000 customers waiting to buy from your link, then watch this video here. And if you want to learn about 3 AI softwares that can help you earn $70,000, then watch this video here. And if you want to learn how this website earns $53,000 from a $100 million company, then watch this video here. And we'll see you in the next video.